You don't notice it at first, but one day you wake up and realize people don't treat you the same way anymore. The respect you once had, it's gone. Conversations feel different. Your opinions carry less weight. Your presence doesn't hold the same authority. And you can't help but wonder, why do people lose respect for me? Here's the hard truth. Respect isn't taken away. It's given up. Most of the time, people don't just suddenly decide to stop respecting you. It happens slowly, through patterns, through habits, through the way you show up. And if you don't understand those patterns, you'll keep repeating them. So let's be honest about the reasons people lose respect for you. People lose respect when you don't respect yourself, when you put yourself last every time, when you accept less than you deserve, when you apologize for existing, when you hand over your dignity for approval, because people take cues from how you treat yourself. If you act like you don't matter, others will believe you. People lose respect when your words and actions don't align. When you say you'll do something, but you don't follow through. When you promise more than you deliver. When you break your own standards again and again. Consistency builds respect. But inconsistency destroys it faster than anything. People lose respect when you have no boundaries, when you let everyone interrupt your time, when you never say no, when you tolerate disrespect just to keep the peace, because boundaries create value, and the absence of boundaries creates weakness. The truth is, if you stand for nothing, people will walk all over you. People lose respect when you explain yourself too much, when every decision comes with endless justifications, when every no turns into a 10-minute speech. The more you explain, the less confident you seem, and the less confident you seem, the faster respect disappears. People lose respect when you chase too much, when you chase friendships, when you chase attention, when you chase love. Chasing teaches people that you value them more than yourself, and nobody respects desperation. People lose respect when you never stand up for yourself, when you let others speak over you, when you stay silent in moments you should speak, when you let insults slide, hoping they'll go away. Silence may feel safe, but it comes at the cost of respect. And people lose respect when you constantly seek validation, when every move you make depends on approval, when you can't feel good until someone else tells you it's okay, because respect comes from independence. And nothing kills independence like needing constant reassurance. But here's something deeper. People don't lose respect because you make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. People lose respect when you don't learn from them, when you refuse to grow, when you keep repeating the same patterns over and over, because growth inspires respect. But stagnation makes people look down on you. So how do you fix it? How do you stop losing respect and start regaining it? First, respect yourself. Set standards for how you want to be treated. Stop accepting the bare minimum. Stop apologizing for existing. Start showing people that your time, your energy, your life has value. Second, follow through. If you say you'll do something, do it. If you make a promise, keep it. Your word should mean something, because every time you break your word, you break respect. Third, build boundaries. Start saying no. Start protecting your energy. Start teaching people that your life is not an open door. Respect comes when your presence feels valuable, not when it feels disposable. Fourth, stop explaining yourself endlessly. A decision doesn't need a speech. A boundary doesn't need an apology. Sometimes no is enough. Sometimes silence is the strongest statement you can make. Fifth, stop chasing people who won't even take one step toward you. The right people won't need to be chased. The wrong people won't stay, no matter how fast you run. So hold your ground. Let people show you who they are instead of begging them to choose you. Sixth, start standing up for yourself. Use your voice. Defend your boundaries. Call out disrespect when it happens. You don't need to fight every battle, but you can't stay silent in all of them, because silence is often seen as permission. And finally, stop seeking validation. Stop living for approval. Start trusting yourself. Start believing in your own judgment, because confidence is magnetic, and nothing restores respect faster than walking with quiet, unshakable confidence. The truth is, people don't respect perfection. They respect authenticity. They respect strength. They respect the person who knows who they are and refuses to compromise their dignity. So if you've lost respect, don't panic. It's not permanent. Respect can be rebuilt. But it starts with you. It starts with the way you carry yourself, the standards you set, the boundaries you enforce, the confidence you project. Because the moment you respect yourself, people have no choice but to follow. And here's the final truth. Respect is not something you demand. It's not something you beg for. It's not something you explain into existence. Respect is something you embody. It's something you live. It's something you carry with you in every word, every action, every silence. So stop wondering why people lose respect for you. Start asking why you've been giving it away. And the moment you stop giving it away, you'll notice something powerful. Respect comes back. And when it does, your presence, your voice, your life will never feel small again.